everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a New Year's Eve look, New Year's Eve inspired, whatever you guys want to call it, but it is a New Year's Eve related. And this is also a collab with my girl Dolly Roman, Bella Janae, Reese LaFleur, and DeShawn Hollywood. Check the description box below and check out everybody's channel if you haven't, and their video. I will link both of those down below in the description box. Now, before we get into the video, part of me does not like this look. At first I did before I finished up my whole entire face, but last minute I decided to add eyeshadow on my bottom lash line, and it kind of threw the whole look off in my opinion. And then I brought it up here because y'all will see as I'm doing my eyes, I cut it with tape. So that right there, I should have just left that alone, honestly. But that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and share this video with all your family and your friends. Okay? Let me know down below in the comments what your plans are for New Year's Eve. And what makeup look are you rocking? What's your outfit looking like? Let me know. But anywho, I will see you guys in my next video.
She will probably leave you alone. 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 If your girl only knew that you was trying to get with me, what would she do? If your girl only knew that you was dissing her to talk to me, she would probably leave you alone. Only 'cause you out and uncoverable. She'd be glad that you was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. If your girl only knew that I would want to keep you with you. If she knew, if your girl could only see how you be calling me, getting pressure in me, she would probably leave you alone. Because you out and uncoverable. She'd be glad that you was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. If your girl only knew that you was trying to get with me, what would she do? If your girl only knew that you was dissing her to talk to me, she would probably leave you alone. Only 'cause you out and uncoverable. She'd be glad that you was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. She would probably leave you alone. Only 'cause you out and uncoverable. She'd be glad that you was gone. She wouldn't have to worry. He's crazy to put up with you, but I won't be no fool. But you, it ain't easy to get to know the